How to fix Steam error code E87. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam error code E87. To fix it, first of all, you will need to ensure you are connected to the strong internet connection. If internet connection is working well, then you need to go ahead and open your Steam application. Once you have opened your Steam application, here logged out from your Steam account. Click on the profile name at the top right and here select sign out of account. Here you will need to click on this confirm in order to log out from your Steam application. Once logged out, now you'll need to open your Steam application again and here use your credentials in order to log into your account. After logging into your account, check if the issue still persists. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you will need to click on the Steam icon at the top left corner of the screen and from this drop-down select Settings. Once doing that, here from the left panel select Downloads and at the right side a download section will open. Here you will see Clear Download Cache option. Click on this Clear Cache at the right side and then it says this will clear all your local cache and restart your Steam application. You will need to log into your Steam account again. Click on this confirm button right here and then your Steam application will be turned off. Now here you will need to open your Steam application again and log into your Steam account. Also you can try running Steam as administrator. For that, right click on the Steam shortcut and from the drop down here select Run as administrator option. Here a pop-up will appear. You will need to click on this Yes button. By following one of these steps, you should be able to fix Steam error code E87. If the issue still persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Steam client to ensure you have the latest version. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.